very fine good morning, students. So today's session, that's a completely hands-on session. I hope everyone having system. So the entire template is available in that website. So you can download the template and try that experiment today. So initially there is a small intro for summarize everything for 15 minutes. After that, we are entering into hands-on demo. Okay. So LaTeX, it's a typesetting software. LaTeX is it audible? Yeah. So LaTeX production chain. So initially you are creating a text commands. So it's for your text program. Then either using LaTeX compiler or using PDF LaTeX compiler. The LaTeX compiler, both the compiler are available in LaTeX compiler. So LaTeX compiler which compile and generate a DVI file, device independent file format. The PDF LaTeX which generate a PDF file. Okay. So this is a production chain of LaTeX. Just I summarize everything and then I will enter into a demo on your own project template. Okay. So comparison with a ViceWeek editor. Normally your MS Word software is a ViceWeek editor, but LaTeX is not ViceWeek editor. It's a typesetting system. So ViceWeek editor, which focus on content, then the appearance. But here we can prepare the entire formatting document. After that, based on the template, which automatically align. So LaTeX, which is best for writing lot of mathematical notation. It's much more helpful for creating bibliography. The citation is very, very easy. It's easy for managing a larger document. The another greatest advantage of this LaTeX software, it's provide the publication quality standard. It provides the de facto standard for our document. Then in addition to that, it having collection of predefined templates for helping for designing our LaTeX reports. Then the document was very much easy because the output file was DVI or PostScript or PDF. So it's very easy as well as portable to move anywhere. Very easy and portable to move anywhere. It's for device independent. So it's even supported for any kind of hardware and operating system. It's creative one. The greatest advantage of this LaTeX software, it's completely free. It's completely free. It's not a ViceWeek editor. ViceWeek editor is what you see is what you get. It's like a LibreOffice or Microsoft Word. But LaTeX, it's a typesetting system. So normally a ViceWeek editor, the learning curve, which comprising of it's supported for smaller document, but LaTeX is supported for larger document with multiple custom templates. So LaTeX having variety of classes. Few of the standard classes available in LaTeX template. The classes are article, report, book, letter, beamer, and prosper. These are some of the standard classes available in LaTeX. So in addition to that, each and every journals, they are providing their own template. Something called as IEEE, they provide their own template, the template which will be named as IEEE trans.cls. IEEE having their own class template, the template which is called as IEEE trans.cls. So I'm summarize all those things. So percentage is a markup we choose to provide the comments. Percentage is a markup we choose to provide the comments. / document class. Inside square bracket, you can specify the paper size and font size. These are the optional parameters. Then inside curly brace, you can specify the class name. Inside curly brace, you can specify the style, that is class name. Article or report or letter or beamer or prosper or book. So the document begins with the statement which is called as /begin document. So the document ends with the statement which is called as /end document. Each and every document starts with begin document and ends with end document. Then this is the first example. Each and every file which is saved in extension example.tex. So the file is saved, LaTeX file is saved in extension .tex. So only the LaTeX programming which is called as text programming. So the entire LaTeX programming which will be called as text programming. After compiling your LaTeX document, which will generate a DVI file and PostScript file and a PDF file, which can generate three different outputs. One which is called as DVI, device independent file format. The second one which is called as PostScript file format. The third one which is named as portable document format, PDF. So this is my first example. So percentage, this is a command statement. So this is example.txt. The file is saved in example.tex. The file which starts is /document class, the name of the class as article, then the begin document and end document. Inside that you will type your entire content and then compile the statement which will generate the output file of DVI, PostScript and PDF file formats. So each and every LaTeX file which compiled with the help of a LaTex compiler, which will generate a DVI, device independent output format, PostScript output format and PDF output format. Then these are some of the preamble which plays a vital role in our LaTex document. /title, which is a title of the document. This is preamble. /author, the author of the document. Then /make title, which is a markup. We choose to place entire thing inside our document. Okay. This is for simple header creation. Either you can place /title and author in the preamble before begin document, it's also accepted. Otherwise, inside begin document, it's also not a problem. Anyway, /make title is a markup. We choose to display the entire content. /make title is a markup. We choose to display the entire content. This is for writing a document in LaTeX with title and author name. The title and author are preamble section. With the help of the markup /make title, which will place the title and author name inside our document. Then some of the font styles, some of the basic font styles. So no intent, /no intent. This will be helpful for indentation. /no intent, which will be helpful for, there is no indentation, no space. Otherwise, you can give inside square bracket, you can give something called a 0.4 inch or centimeter, 0.4 IN. So which give 0.4 inches space. Okay. Inside square bracket, you can specify the line spacing. If you specify inside square bracket 0.4 IN, here I can specify after double line, after double slash, I can specify 0.2 inch. So which can display this test as well as this is a test. This is a test as well as this is a test. In between gap, we can specify 0.2 inches space. So inside square bracket, you can specify the spacing. Then double slash is a markup we choose to create a new line character. Double slash, it's a markup which helpful to create a new line character. As the name itself, /small, the text will be displayed in small. /large, the text will be displayed in large. /huge, the text will be displayed in huge. So this is what the font representation in LaTex. There is no font format. /small, /large, /huge. These are some of the different font representation which is available in LaTex. /large, /small, as well as /huge. Then the next category, we are entering into section as well as subsection. Next category, we are entering into section as well as subsection. So /section introduction. So automatically which will be placed it as $1.introduction. /section introduction. So which automatically place it as $1.introduction. /subsection experiment. So which will be placed it as 1.1. So section 1, below that you are specifying subsection. So which means that sections which under the section 1. So under introduction. So that means like that. If you specify section 2, something called as methodology, below that you can specify subsection. So which means that is 2.1. Second chapter, under that you are creating subsection. Whatever needed, you can create subsection, subsection. So whatever needed, you can extend that too. So this is for section and subsection category. So you are creating multiple sections. If needed, you are creating multiple subsections inside each and every section. So this is what basic section creation in LaTeX programming. So next, LaTeX does mathematical notation, does it well. The greatest advantage of this LaTeX software, which does mathematical notation, which does it well. It's excellent software for mathematical notation. See, one of the examples is here. So each and every LaTeX document is specified by $end with $, which is called as the equation is an inline equation. So $, end with $, the equation which is termed as placed in a separate line with center. If you place an equation in between begin equation and end equation, the equations are placed in a separate line center along with the equation number. The equations are placed in a separate line center along with equation number. So here the equation is G underscore in the sense subscript slash gamma in the sense which will print the Greek letter of gamma, then N, then after suffix you can specify T, G of T. So it specifies G of gamma N T. Okay. Underscore is a subscript. So subscript of slash gamma is a Greek letter. So you can specify Greek letter of gamma. You can specify Greek letter of gamma, G subscript of gamma N of T. Then slash fraction of 1 divided by. So 1 divided by slash SQRT. SQRT is a markup we choose to place a square root S suffix N. So square root of S suffix N. After that, slash comma semicolon. So which give a small space. Either slash comma comma or slash comma semicolon. These are the markup we choose to give a small space between mathematical equation. So slash comma semicolon which represent a space. Then again G of. So G open parenthesis G of. Then slash fraction of T minus P suffix N divided by S suffix N. Okay. Then again you can create exponential of. So slash exponential. You can create left curly brace. Okay. Then J multiplied with 2 pi. Slash pi is a markup we choose to print pi. F underscore N we choose to print F N. Then T. Then slash PHI we choose to represent this pi. Okay. Pi which represent this pi representation. Okay. So slash PHI we choose to represent pi suffix N. At last you can place a right curly brace. So choose to print the right curly brace. So this is a basic way for write a mathematical notation. So this is a very easiest way. The mathematical notation is properly fit inside your document. So this is not very mandatory because the greatest advantage for LaTeX was it helpful for advanced mathematical notation. Every mathematical equation was properly fitted inside our document. That's what we are entering into this LaTeX programming. So this programming slash fraction, slash square root, slash left parenthesis, slash exponential, all those markups are helpful to design the excellent mathematical notation. So this is one of the basic example for mathematical formula creation in LaTeX. So underscore it's for subscript, cap which is representing superscript. Underscore for subscript, cap which representing superscript. Always underscore which represent subscript representation. Cap is a symbol which used to represent a superscript representation. Next. So for inserting image inside your document, for insert image inside your document, there is a style file is needed. For insert an image inside your document, a style file is needed. That will be called as either EPS fig, EPS figure, electronic postscript file. We are giving JPG or PNG file, so graphics is enough. So slash use package graphics, slash use package graphics. We choose to import the graphics.sty file inside our document. slash use package graphics. We choose to import the graphics file inside our document. Okay, slash begin figure and end figure. Inside that you can need the figure size was specified. Slash center line, you can import the figure. Slash include graphics or slash EPS FF file. So choose to import the file, then caption, then label, then end figure. So this is a way which represent the graphics inside our document. Either use slash EPS FF file or otherwise you can use slash include graphics. These are the two markups which helpful for inserting image inside our document. Slash include graphics or slash EPS FF file. These two are the markup which helpful for inserting image inside our LaTeX document. These two markup which is very much helpful for inserting image inside our LaTeX document.